Here we go.
Very delicate piece right here.
We need Christian here narrating.
We have Trini working on Spedini.
Do you need this
Well,
many?
actually,
Grandpa?
Grandpa?
Do you need this many for us?
and Tony are working on the Spedini.
Don't touch it.
Trini is doing the
Breading.
breading and
Dipping.
wash and
You
dipping.
have
And
to.
pretty soon Miss Laura's gonna come join us to help.
Only if it's long enough.
make
That's
the
what we've done so
Spedini.
far.
Be careful with this one.
So Miss
Okay.
Laura is,
Super
tell me what you're doing, Miss Laura.
I am coating the
Do
Spedini
breading
with
first.
breadcrumbs.
Do the egg wash.
Why is,
You've gotta make sure to get the
Mary has such a
sides.
sensual
I-
voice.
I don't know. And-
I don't think I've ever heard her speak like this softly before.
Put the stuff on it.
This one is mine.
It's my voiceover voice.
I've never heard her phone operator narrate voice.
So we have Henley helping us out, doing the breading. And meanwhile, we have Lacey over here pumping out those manicotts. We're at the very end of the manicottis.
Is that it?